Fish on. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sandman's Fishing Adventure. And today we're out here on the Sacramento River trying to chase some striper. Man, it is only 3:58 right now. A little bit too early. I woke up around like 1:30 to use the bathroom and I couldn't sleep anymore. So I was like, what the heck? You know what? Let's get up. Let's go fishing. Yeah, it's too early for me. Fish don't normally bite until like 6:30 or so when the sun's finally starting to come up. But I'm just gonna go out there, get set up, get my spot, man. These area here, the good spots get packed fast, so you gotta get out here quick. Get out here early, or else it'll be packed by the time you get out here at 7 or 8 in the morning, man. But yeah, I finally had a chance to get out here early, so let's see if I can get my limit. This spot got poison oak, so heck no, I am not staying here. Look at that, poison oak. Shit, my skin is hella sensitive to this stuff. Crazy, I'm leaving. Look at that, poison oak bush. Peace out. But yeah, I'm finally at my actual destination. I went to a couple other spots, but man, they were poison oak. I looked around and I'm like, heck no, my skin is very sensitive to poison oak, so heck no. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it in a little bit, my experience with poison oak. But yeah, I'm out here. I got some bloodworm here. I just want to thank Fruit Ridge Bait and Tackle, man. They came through with some bloodworm. I went out fishing a couple times with sardine and man, I skunked each time. And finally they got some in stock, man, yesterday. So I got it hooked up now already. So let's get the rods in the water. Got these glow lights here. They attach onto these bail here. See that? You just poke into that hole. There's a hole there. Just stick it on. Just like that, man. It's about to be 5 o'clock. Man, it is dark out here, but I got my poles in the water right there. Look at that, can't see anything. That's alright. You see the moon out right there? Looks like almost a full moon. Hopefully I'll get a bite soon. Get out of here. Come on, baby. Finally a keeper, a 19-inch. Hell yeah, let's get it. One down, one more to go. The sun's finally starting to come up, man. I don't know about y'all, but I've been out here since about 4:30. Kind of scary out here, I ain't gonna lie. I'm out here by myself, man. It was total darkness out here. It's nice out, no wind. But yeah, I'm so glad, man. Finally got one. One more to go. Come on, keep it on two, baby. Oh my goodness, I lost it. There's like a drop off there. It's stuck on a drop off while reeling in the fish. Oh my goodness. That drop off there's made me lose a lot of fish so far. Oh my God. Sun's finally coming up, so the bite should start picking up now.
$18.5.
18 half.
Okay.
Nào dần to luôn, không rồi.
Lâm lại cầu cũ.
Oh, got cool.
Nó ốp dạng à.
Finally got my limit. Time to go home. Finally, man. Been out here since 4:30 a.m. It's about 8:30 now, so about 4 hours. Been here for about 4 hours. So not bad. Yeah. Got a 18.5 and a 19.5. So perfect size to eat right here. Best tasting. Meat still tender. You don't want anything too big, you know, 25 and above. The meat is like tough. So these are the best. So yeah, I've been out on the water here for a little bit longer than I should have. A little bit longer than I expected. Been out here since 4:30. It's already 8:30 right now. I had quite a few bites. Unfortunately, I missed a few. So the thing with this spot is that there's a drop off. So if I throw a little bit too close before the drop off, I don't get any bites. If I throw a little bit too far, it gets caught on the drop off. So I'll get some good bites, but every time I set the hook, it either gets caught on there or I lose my fish. Once I hook the fish, it'll get caught on the drop off and I'll lose my fish. My line snapped on one too, so it was a good takedown. Set the hook, line snap. But finally caught my last one here by 8 o'clock. Yeah, overall it's a good day, man. I'm telling you guys, Sacramento River here, it's on fire. Good reports from Freeport all the way down to Garcia Bend, to Verona, to West Sacramento, all these places, man. Good reports. Everybody's here limiting out on fish and stuff. Main thing is bloodworm and pileworm. Unfortunately, it's been a little tough to get a hold of those. Like I said, I was fortunate enough to be able to pick some up at Fruit Ridge Bait and Tackle. I came out here fishing a couple times, 3 times to be exact, on sardine and anchovy. Man, I skunked a couple shakers, but nothing, man, nothing. Bloodworm or pile, that's what's really hitting. Yeah, like I said, I wasted my time on sardine and bloodworm. I think once it picks up even more, give it like 2-3 more weeks when the big fish, the big mamas, you know, get here. They'll pretty much bite anything, sardines, all that. But right now, what's hitting is bloodworm and pow. But those things are expensive, $40 per dozen. Man, can't afford to fish anymore. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.